Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This may look a little different than my last video, and that is because I moved to Virginia, so that is where this video is going to be taking place. Let me show you guys what my room looked like before any of the boxes were here. Okay, this is the before all the moving trucks come in. That's what it looked like. It was pretty empty, obviously, because there was nothing in it. Now, we're going to try and put my room together. We'll see how it goes. Probably not very good, but so let's get on into it, I guess. I've done some stuff, but I haven't made that much progress. So, mostly a bunch of boxes over here. And so you walk in, there's all these boxes over here. And then all these boxes over here. So I've opened a lot of these boxes, but I'm not sure where anything is going yet. So far I haven't made that much progress. Like, here's another open box. But these are the boxes that I've already like put stuff away from. So I have done some stuff yesterday. This is the bottom of a table. The table's over there. And a lot of these boxes, like these big ones, like there's like 5 over here. They're actually not even going in my room, so, but they're in here anyway, so. Oh yeah, this is what I did yesterday. I put up all my clothes up here, and then all this stuff down here is a mess, but I put up my clothes up here. And then I also moved like kind of this stuff over in this area, and I set up my desk, so. I also set up the rowing machine yesterday, which I also have no idea if it's going in here or not, so we'll just have to see. Okay, I have no idea where to start, honestly. This is not mine. Oh. I actually forgot this was up here. Oh. Okay, finished one box. I'm not gonna have enough room for all my clothes. So okay, so somehow I need to move this thing in the closet. So I'm gonna try and do that now. We're gonna see how it goes. For the bed. Okay, so this is what we got in the closet so far. I put some stuff up there, and then, yeah, I put this in here. We'll see if that stays in there or not, I'm not sure, but that's what I got so far. Let me just show you guys what I was trying to do for the thumbnail. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to end up using it because they didn't look very good. Like this. Okay, what I like really want to find is these drawers. So there's like this thing, and then, or it goes like this. And then in between these are like drawers that go in it. And once I find that, I should be able to put another box away. But I have no idea where that is, so I need to look for it. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a little progress check on my room. It is still a mess, so don't expect anything too great. All these boxes over here, so those 5 over there, and then these 5, so there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's like 1 right there. All 5 of those boxes are not mine, so I don't know if they're staying in here or not, but for now, I've like separated it so that like this half over here is not my stuff. Oh wait, that box also is not mine. But then everything over here on this half is my stuff, except for the rower, I think is going in here. It might just go on like that half. So I think like half my room might be like a gym type thing, and then this half is gonna be like my room. So, and that table also is gonna be moved out of here, I think. But for now, I've like kind of unpacked stuff, so like this is a whole mess. And so I have like boxes and stuff. This is like boxes that need to go over here somewhere. I put like all my clothes boxes in there. Honestly, I have no idea what all these boxes are. But we're kind of doing better, I guess. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a little update on how far I've gone. I think this is now the 3rd day that I've been doing this. So when you walk in, like all this stuff over here, all that stuff is going either somewhere else or I'm not really sure. But that's my temporary bed, the blow up mattress. And then this I need to move, like this thing, I need to move outside. And then this thing, I think I'm gonna move over here after I move that whole thing. I still have not found like the shelves that go in this, which is kind of annoying, but they're somewhere. And then I haven't really unpacked a lot of this stuff, but I've mostly just moved like the boxes over here. So like I can start putting some stuff on that, but most of this stuff goes in that thing, which I can't do right now. So I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do next, because I don't know if it has a spot or not, but I'm gonna try to do these boxes and organize them or something. I'm not really sure, but oh yeah, and my closet. So this is, oh, let me turn the light on so you can actually see. Okay, so this is my closet. I just put all my clothes in here and stuff, so they don't all hang up. So yesterday I put that up here also, so I can put stuff in there. And then maybe I'll start putting like stuff up here. But for now, I'm just gonna do this later because it's all in like its own area. And also this table is not going in here. It goes on top of that thing, but maybe it will, who knows. So that's what we're doing now. There's still a lot of stuff though. Oh, and I have that box right there. I'm not pointing at that box right there. Nothing's in that yet, so I can put stuff in that thing. Still a lot of stuff to do, but I have done a lot of stuff, so we'll see. Okay, I'm getting a new bed today. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a little update on my room. It has been about a week, I think, since I've made a update, like, on the cleaning of my room, because I haven't made much progress, but I did get a bed yesterday, so now I have a bed, and the boxes that were all on, like, one side of the room are still over there, because I think they're staying over there, so I'll have like half of this room. But other than that, it's still a mess. So I'll show you what it looks like right now. So this is my bed here with Scout Duck sitting on it. And then I could like move it over a little bit, but I think I'm just gonna leave it there. And then see, I still have like all this stuff that I need to like clean all that. All this stuff I need to clean or move somewhere else. Like below my desk is a mess. And yeah. So, oh, I haven't even shown you the closet. Closet also is a mess. I have this shoe thing, but I'm not sure where I want to put it yet. This is all a bunch of extra blankets and stuff that I don't have space for. And I have still yet to put my suitcase away. So, that's what I'm gonna try to do now. We'll see how far I get. Alright, big reveal. Here is my room. This is like my bed that I finally finished making. And then over here,
nice now.
And I have this stuff over here. And I put like a bunch of stuff in there that I wasn't going to be using. So I put that there. Over here I just have like the 2 Eiffel Towers and stuff. Fan. A heather thing. And then over here is what I did today because it was a really big mess right here. This is stuff that I don't know where to put, so I just put it there. My desk, still kind of a mess here, but it's better than it was before. And then I also have my desk now, which is nice and clean. I only put like a couple stuff up there. This thing, which I just put some stuff in there. And then over here we have like my camera, backpack, and then some stuff that I might hang up, but I'm not sure, so I'm just leaving it there for now. I also have this shelf and all this stuff up here, and then this, which is kind of a mess, but at the same time it at least has like a location, kind of. And then I just hung this thing up to kind of just have something on my wall here. I like it. And then my bathroom here, I actually like cleaned this out too, so it's somewhat organized. Last thing, my closet, which has a lot of clothes in it. So it just has like a drawer. It's mostly just like storage stuff in here, and then I put this in here to put stuff in there, and a shoe rack. It's kind of hard to show you, but shoe rack, suitcase. Ow, that actually hurt. Okay. And then, yeah, just a bunch of stuff up there. So, that's what my closet looks like. Yep. And now Scout is stealing my bed, I guess.